everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi here, and in this video I'll be talking about the 3 important things you need to focus on if you want to become a profitable crypto trader. Now you see, if you go on your browser right now and you type how to become a profitable crypto trader, you're going to find so many resources, articles, videos, courses on how to become a profitable crypto trader. But to be honest, the truth is most of these resources you will find on the internet are full of unnecessary information that you don't even need. And there are even so many courses on the internet today that will not even teach you the important things you need to focus on or the important things you need to know in order to become a profitable crypto trader. And that is why I'm making this video, to explain to you the 3 important things you need to focus on if you want to become a profitable crypto trader. So whether you're new to trading or you're an experienced crypto trader, please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now, the first thing you need to focus on to become a profitable crypto trader is to develop a solid trading strategy. Now, you see, this one is the most important thing you should be focusing on if you really want to become a profitable crypto trader. A crypto trader without a trading strategy, to me, is just a gambler. And if you have a well-defined trading strategy, it gives you a roadmap for making informed decisions before a trade, during a trade, and even after you've ended the trade. And just in case you're asking me that, Femi, how can I develop a solid trading strategy? Now, here's what I would advise you to do as a beginner. Now, what I would advise you to do is to go on the internet right now or maybe on YouTube and search for different trading strategies and practice them. Now, you can decide to be testing 2 trading strategies every week for a month and ensure that you are recording all the trades from the test. And at the end of that month, you can now decide to check the records of the trade to determine which strategy worked best for you and also why it worked for you. Maybe you did some things or maybe you made some decisions and it worked out. So you need to take note of all of those things. And also, you need to check out the strategies that did not work out for you and see what might have caused it, and check maybe there are some things you did that made the strategies not to work. And also, you should know that there are some trading strategies that only work with certain trading pairs, and there are also some trading strategies that only work during certain market conditions. So these are the things you need to be checking out for when you are testing and looking for a good trading strategy. And whenever you find a good trading strategy that is making money for you and that you love, keep practicing with that strategy until your profits are more than your losses. And please don't forget to always keep learning so that you can improve your trading strategy. So in summary, look for different trading strategies on the internet. It could be indicators, price action, and so on, or even trading based on news. Anyone you prefer to do is left to you. But ensure that you backtest any strategy before risking too much money on it. And in case you don't know, this was also how I started my trading journey. And I already shared this story multiple times on this channel. And in case you're also looking for different trading strategies to try out, I have a playlist on my YouTube channel that contains different crypto trading strategies that you can try out. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. And before I go to the second thing you should focus on to become a profitable crypto trader, let me just give you some tips on how to develop a good trading strategy for yourself. Now, the first tip is to keep it simple. Now, you see, don't try to have all these complex strategies where they tell you to put like 5 indicators on the chart, you draw like 10 support and resistance lines on the chart, and then you put things like Fibonacci and all sorts of things on your chart. Don't try to do all of those things. They will only make your charts look complex and nothing will be gained at the end. Some people think that it is until where your chart is looking kind of complex, that's when you know what you are doing. No, there are so many people out there that they have all of these things on the chart and yet they know nothing about crypto trading. So please keep it simple. Now, the second tip is to always keep learning and improving on your trading strategy. So I advise you to stay updated about what's happening in the crypto space and always be checking for new tools or techniques that you can use to improve your trading strategies. So that's the first and most important thing you need to focus on if you really want to become a profitable crypto trader. Now, the second thing you need to focus on if you want to become a profitable trader is using risk management properly. Now, you see, if you want to go far in crypto, one thing you must really take serious is protecting your capital. It is very, very important. You must learn how to protect your capital, because if your capital vanishes today, it means that you're back to square one. Except maybe you have someone that is giving you free money without working. Then maybe you can be losing money anyhow you like. But if you are working for your own money to trade, please protect your capital. And without proper risk management, even if you have the best strategy in the world, you can still fail as a trader. Now, I'm going to be giving you some risk management tips that you should focus on and always apply in your trades. Now, the first tip is to always use stop loss. Now, to be honest, I still don't understand why some people prefer not to set stop loss in their trades. Because for me, I think if you are not using stop loss in your trades, then it means that you don't have a good trading strategy. So you see why I always say it's better to have a good trading strategy. And in case you need a video on how to set your take profit and stop loss perfectly, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, the second tip for risk management is never risk all your money on a single trade. Now, don't try to say you want to go all out on a single trade because you think the trade is 100% sure for you, or maybe because you are trying to become a millionaire overnight. Don't do that. Don't try to put all your funds in one trade. And the third risk management tip is to use proper leverage. Now, you see, I understand that high leverage can help you make a lot of money, but you also need to understand that high leverage can also make you lose a lot of money. So please always use leverage responsibly and understand that the higher the leverage, the higher the risk of liquidation. And in case you want to learn how to use leverage properly, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. And the fourth risk management tip is to have a maximum daily loss limit. Now, what do I mean by this? So there's this thing I've started to do right now, and it is setting a daily loss limit. So this means that if I lose a certain amount of money in a day, then I'm not taking any trade for that day. And you can start doing this too. All you just need to do is to set a maximum amount of money you're willing to lose in a day. And once you reach that limit, stop trading and take time to review what went wrong, because this can prevent emotional trading and can also help you to protect your capital. And the fifth risk management tip is don't chase losses. So for example, if you had like a losing trade, don't say you want to quickly go back into the market and make that money back by taking risky trades. Trust me, there's a very high chance that it will lead to even bigger losses. So always stick to your strategy and avoid chasing losses. So these are just some of the risk management tips that you should focus on and apply in your trades. Now, before I go to the third thing you need to focus on to become a profitable crypto trader, I just want to say that about 64% of you watch my videos haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. So please, if you are learning something valuable from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are trying to reach 200,000 subscribers really soon. And please don't forget to like this video so that others will be able to see it and learn from it. Thank you. So now that you already know that you need to focus on developing a solid trading strategy and you also need to use risk management properly, the third thing you need to focus on to become a profitable crypto trader is to master trading psychology. Now, you see, trading is not just about numbers and charts. Trading is a mental game. Your mindset can make or break your trading success, whether you like it or not. Now, there was a video I made about 2 or 3 years ago, and in that video, I was talking about trading psychology. And then someone said in the comment section that please give us what will make us profit, no trading psychology, please. And when I saw this comment, it was evident that this kind of person was only after quick profit. And I'm still sure till today, that person is still looking for that thing that will make him or her profit. You see, when it comes to crypto trading, you need to master trading psychology very well. And I'll be giving you some tips to help you master trading psychology. Now, the first tip is emotional discipline. Now, this means that you need to learn how to avoid making decisions based on fear or greed, and always stick to your trading plan or your trading strategy. And that is why the first point I mentioned in this video is to focus on developing a trading strategy. And if you have a trading strategy that is good, fear and greed will not be a part of you. Trust me. Now, the second tip to master trading psychology is patience. Now, you see, when it comes to trading, always wait for the right trading opportunities before you enter any trade, because not every market movement requires action or that you should enter a trade. Don't say because you've seen Bitcoin going up rapidly that you want to quickly enter a trade. Don't do that without any reasonable analysis. Now, the third thing you need to understand to master trading psychology is that losses are part of trading. Now, you see, no matter how long you've been trading, you need to know that losses are part of the journey. So instead of feeling bad or maybe getting into a bad mood, always focus on learning from your losses and understand that you can't win every trade. What makes you a profitable crypto trader is when you have more wins than losses. So these are just some of the tips that can help you to master trading psychology as a crypto trader. So there you have it. These are the 3 things you should focus on if you want to become a profitable crypto trader. Number 1, I said develop a solid trading strategy. Number 2, use proper risk management. And number 3, master trading psychology. Now I want you to remember that becoming a profitable crypto trader is not about finding some secret formula or maybe trying to get rich overnight. It's about you consistently applying these 3 principles which I've explained in this video and being patient with your crypto journey. Now I've shared my own experience and I've given you practical tips from these 3 areas, so it's up to you to put them into practice. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please hit that notification bell so that you can stay updated with more trading videos. And if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be replying to every question or every comment that I get. And in case you want to learn the 10 trading strategies to grow a small crypto trading account, I would advise that you watch the video showing right here. And in case you want to see how you can learn crypto trading and become profitable fast as a beginner, then watch the video showing right here. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.